election for the NDC. Me church munyina ema munyina akwaba awia anumire high rush media so na menemo edi enkomo yi ena wia yi my imagine say the NDC government itself from me breaking it down upon the various scandals about we better konya so since 2025 I see what Ghana maimo make scandals sikadie krono pa na answer na mekodo ka hu se ye high better na ye di nkomo asema ye de bebre no ye boy homodin say ye be research ye be ntoto ye papa ne ye hu se asem na ye kan ye asem no kro ye ntwantro platform we so nti asem na me ba be kan kro no fatu timu ye say these are realities. One, and this are buying way one of the most useless press government in the history of Ghana, because the NDC government is the only government in the Fourth Republic what me promise Ghana for one more different kinds of promises, but at the end of the day no obetena kunyam no promises no promise no untimi kipu even one. The oye bia no ye outside the promises ade bia ene abanwe a wote akonwa so yi oyo bia no oyo ni de oyo no dane ene asem o kan se oba obeyo kusanfo ene ye nyina tu enim se mahama ban ene ya abanya sabi obra no wo opposition ye kan nipa abanya wodi atemudie so mfaso abanya odi atemudie opposition party odi atemudie pa se ye di obi atem ena de ba power ye kanipo diso mfaso de ba power pa ye mahama. Don't forget to say you name say ye kitchen blogger Kevin Taylor no America odidi opiatem ye nyina ye nim ye nyina ye aware of that. Sa Kevin Taylor we odidi atem di sabiu otekoko so atem mani ye sa papa no or officially sponsored by John Tariga Dramani Mahama. Enti atemudi akwa we di no Ghana maimo di G to me efiri MPP amanyokuo ensam etwa antro di nkontompo e de fa MPP ho de na ye de ye Kevin Taylor ya anye ne hwe. In fact court mpo no eye den e man arrest warrant ena man sembri mo ka fa Supreme Court judges bi no mo ho de na ye hu ye John Mahama be di akonwa no ono ankasa sponsor Kevin Taylor mane ba Ghana maimu obedu Ghana maimu ha no John Mahama ankasa ma a soldier for esan kobo wanted personal ye kobo ne ho ban adene court ma court ekoyi the arrest warrant ne free ne so but enade na ye hu ne wo maimu enade ye hu ne se obi ntumi nkyere na dwen obi ntumi nka de ofiri empono obi mpo kasampa ne bua na nya atemu mpo na wadie empono bia na asem no ken no kora wo mu ntino and this ya ban feel say ye jaiman sem we nom koso wa bontena ebe ha o manyoko no enti ye chichi amanfo na Ghana mabu no mo Ghana sabio no mo kasa wo social media Ghana mabu na mo te Ghana na omo ye kasa wo social media efa social issues ho na omo nye NDC fo ene omo ntumi nkasa because o kasa pe ye bechi wato omo be na ye chichire the democracy e de agi Ghana asi ho democracy e de agi Ghana minding asi ho ewo amansan edwam democracy na enam so enam eno so nte etimi koto abade tumi ma ewura John Mahama no bedi Ghana man de nte ene papa we se omma kwan ema ye ntumi mie ya no enkasa enkyere Ghana fo ni nyina ne se abanwe betena konwa so no within a shorter possible time say ye ka scandals and nema ye scandalous pa ye ka it is on record say this administration way the most corrupt government that has ever happened in the history of Ghana. Now, me baname do about for some of the scandals and some allegations binuman DC for year in opposition. What they compare now one can so be so what is going on here? The Edikai Yen nyina beka I say NDC amanyo koti abontene bra na omoti opposition. Omo kan ye ma yen nyina omo kan ye ma ne to obi asum say MPP fo e yakromfo MPP fo yakohwifo MPP fo wi Ghana man ye sika MPP fo asesa Ghana fo ye sika ye bobo amanfo din ye bobo amount sums a mo edro de toto amanfo so mo awia ye kan say MPP fo awia Ghana fo nsa ase a mo edro nti ye te organization bi corruption organization bi I say friend ORA Operation Recover All Loot. Yes, ye ba beti sa kuo no de agege amanfo a mo awia o man Ghana sika ne nsase ne japade nyina a ye benya about 20 billion and o mo kan me ba de ma sansem we o mo kan opposition no e make a very good impact in the election for the NDC, but enna the dua me no ka say eto abade ma NDC emfie baako ene bosome nwotwe anie ora no ekosi say akromfo na muhu won abra na mote opposition no enkrofo na mobobo won din e wo radio station ni TV stations na eso se omo abokro no omo wia Ghana fo sika no omo edaso etigana man omo nkoba bia anso ene that Operation Recover All Loot the ORA are one of the principles of this government say obana wa baba ye clean up titiro bi e system num. That organization as can say that unity na papa nsen ka oba bete and a target for only MPP people because omo no mo abokro no sa ora no ene kosi se e wo hefa enkrofo no mo adwan ana enkrofo no mo tu afiro manum to say dem confirm no tu ekoboke na how can you be so diabolic? You were 8, you say 20th month of this administration here. Obi out to opposition. Now we'll see when who am for more bokro no. Obedi akonya. Mutumi koye paperwork ko presente properties ni account to a more easy amode come president. Aye other operations resource mutumi presente sade wo TV manipa da sane omo wiase nyina obia hu bi say mu case mu people that they need to answer questions at the court omo aboman no kro no 18 good months near we are getting to the 20th month sa kro no sa sika no sa japade no e wo hefa mure free aden de na mo kan e ntro ekosi sen ene lawyer kweku etinchen esu lawyer kweku a enam oranti na omfa NDC fo enan ensi form ene lawyer kweku tinchen esu said the Operation Recover All Loot no attend to Operation Arrest All the Youth pachote mi yepa lawyer kweku papa no betanse na odidi MPP for atem ene osu o see the way NDC for the sub your bail condition e punish am for so mo anhwe omo hu yi a table changes no ka so omo and that is the reality table a change NDC for me say they have to come and tell us after 20 months in government sa 2 billion say 20 billion na okuja tabra samokai okuja tabra kwa papa wo yo Kumasi police director yo Kumasi Kofi Boache who else was there I think lawyer Kweku and another guy. These were the people and they were going to lead the Operation Recover All Loot. As soon as maybe say no Operation Recover All Loot no akwa kosisei the we are so one yes so we ones are now here there. Abangwe will go down as one of the most useless, insensitive lack of one can say direction, confusion. Just how you want to say this government, the principles upon which we voted for him to come in power, no, it wasn't this. And yes, to come and arrest. Now you think of Faora Bra. Ora now see you're going to make sure you're going to clean the corruption in the system. Say Ghana for home better one. Me say ora no wahe. Monye ora ho adwuma na monche nkrofo ntum. Na monje sika mfansi school adan hospitals aka kwan na asefo. All that is for the intro. We na the first one. That is the order. Yento aso na yenko yanim. Yeko yanim a asamba akubi nso asan asi na anu ada we ya amanfo adwene enyama ho. Asechire ne say the Auditor General of Ghana. Temi ye pa me se hwan. The Auditor General. The Auditor General of Ghana say the 2.2 billion lost to corruption in 2025. Tell me, what is can you pa? 2.2 billion Ghana cedis lost to corruption in 2025. They say 2025 from Ghana my yehrisika 2.2 billion pa. And I heard it. I don't know yet. Chrono bo katasene proye entino Ghana mine boka 2.2 billion Ghana cedis. We anyame na meka no akase kwaku na eka. This is official report from the Auditor General. Papa na official aban anayenka ne se constitution ama na kwanya so timi hwe Ghana mine yedwadie na yedi ni the whole year no yentoto ya yetoto ye sika yedi ye sa antoto ye no said the siko ye sa papa no na ba bonten na o ka kire me no wo se ewura mahama mam aban no ne first year o betra Ghana ko nwa so na o sika any system num no yesi ne ono ne officials omo abdi sika 2.2 billion Ghana cedis omo awia Yamina Mecca. Where the Auditor General, in fact, I say the Auditor General's 2025 report confirmed 2.2 billion in financial irregularities under the NDC watch. This is hard number, no spin. Already trending on Ghanaian Instagram and Facebook. And this is what we are talking about. Way a bigger scandal, bro. Do you know what 2.2 billion Ghana cedi can do? 2.2 billion Ghana cedis. Agenda 111 na akahoro. Agenda 111 na hospitals na nado danko Kufuado papa a onim die. Papa onim amamuo na odwene ne manma ho, odwene ko akiri. Odwene beyond the actuality na odwene for the future. Papa me bo dina, me say me bo or can the papa din anado ne agenda 111 project na kawurem project bi ya wie machines wom ebenum ya painti ya bibia a papa we oba ya o say agenda 111 na hu hia na 24-hour market na hu hia no wa hwere 2.2 billion Ghana cedis omo awia adi. And instead of say yebekura the district hospitals ahodo a anado danko Kufuado edi gu from yebekura no na wo yare a wanya baabi akosa ho yade no NDC aban prefer say sika no omo de be show omo bottom no omo acha di enti omo ma contractor ani nyina ye so source no enti asa omo ma contractor omo ankasa ne choose their own friend or their own company omo de contract na mano. Because everything that they are doing in the office, it must to have kickbacks. So kickbacks anymore, the idea or the deal is not done. And in TNA, the Auditor General report no e kan kire me no say NDC aban no atena se ma ya hwere 2.2 billion Ghana cedis just the last year, their first year in administration. Were a big scandal. Enti ye kwa akoto aba ma aban bi aba aban papa oba ye benya nyuma oba ye ho beto yen oba said they are coming to, they're going to juicy everything in the coffers of the country. We are near Baba Country say ya we nam no manaka dompe pacho temi yepa we are Baba Country say ya we nam no amanaka dompe and then yete ho no. These are allegations are moving through 2.2 billion Ghana cedis. Unim do betumi this eskanai. Unim ka kwanya hodo ebetumi ayi na artifact. Dual college. Yeah, the light yes so. Do you know how many rows, rural rows binoma sabi omope caterpillar kekene wakotwi so. And then put in another adawroma. Every district in the country has equipment here. You just need to buy petrol. And so nkrofo we omu disika twitwiri die we bet common petrol ko e beto de agu machines sim. Ama machines na ko on the ground. These guys are not doing no more trans machines ni go more trans mensuation fakra insuation for temane na asefo na machines ni go office but in all this no omu disika 2.2 million lost. Why Ento aso na yenko yanim we the Auditor General's report we scandal etosum you know scandal etosum yensa. Don't forget say Yewura Mahama te abontene o kan sembinom concerning employment. Yewura Mahama otia abontene kan say oba he's coming to create job for the youths. Yewura Mahama say oba o de adwuma binom oba sabio Ghana fo nyina benya adwuma ye because adwuma na e wo hodada no mpo no oba be ye ne triple shift enti ye de assembly ba na omoka omo se 133 se adwuma ba ko 3 shift nipa miensa ye kan ya kosi se ye de ba be ye ade bi 724 hour economy eni enti anya hwe no the government institutions they are going to be the center spine of that policy. Say abayi nyuma hodo no nyina no ebe mo anya 3 shift say the be ya Ghana for ebe nya adwuma ye ntinka post office 3 shift say bia anka DVLA 3 shift Bank of Ghana 3 shift police for do mu yo mo adwuma dada soldier for mu yo mo adwuma dada hospitals mu yo mo adwuma dada all the government agencies no nyina agric ministry 3 shift agric ministry okoha omu ye adwuma 3 shift enti we no mukona we yaba. This is what Mahama told Ghanaians and we accepted it and we loved that and we said we are going to vote for him. And yekoto abane man but yekoto abane ba ye no papa no the third scandal ebe hit no and say friend terminator mass dismissals. Yetuni din terminator. I didn't tell friend terminator. Yetuni din terminator because John Mahama te opposition. Oti opposition no o kan kire Ghana for say Akufo-Addo time edre enti omunya adwuma ye enti ono de oba na oba be mo adwuma ye abusia John Dramani Mahama ba ya enkrofo mu ye adwuma civil servant any mu ye adwuma wo any government agency bia no John Mahama make sure say when I fa won adwuma 2025 ba nyina opam won nyina. Somebody who told you say he was coming to create jobs. Somebody who told you say he's coming to triple the working positions in the government sector. Amo bianye biaye. Sa kwa ne ba ye no. He rather sack the people from there. Yeah, so yeah, sempa na make natural. Me ba na baba mo wadwuma. Me ba na baba mo wadwuma. But what happened? Me ba ya mo amu wadwuma ne ye dada no. Wo na mapam was apam kogu. Job am wa gadrek. His Excellency John Mahama is a great man, very great man. But you tell me, pa. Me bana mama mo adwuma o. Me ba ya, masaki mu nyina de mu nyina kofie. Mon kofie. Because Yewura Mahama di kan ka kire say during campaign we lie. Because through campaign obia pese amanfo bedi na chi ombeto abamanti woka asema ebe ye omode nokore ne wo ho enso wonka edi ntro kakra ne yaka nokore kakra ne edi tro ne yaka nokore ne edi ntro ne edi ntro ne edi ntro Yewura Mahama ne kai. This is what is happening. This is what is happening. Papa buy na obesake amanfo nyina de omo nyina akogo fie instead of giving jobs to them. The eto so me yensa enan se mo be kai the private jet hypocrisy mo kai. We don't forget to. We will never forget. We act like we act like we have forgot. We never forgot. Mokai the private jet asem. Okuja tabra kwa didi na nado atem NDC for communicators kese na nado adodanko akufo ado fa private jet ya onten to Ghana for ye ho chiri yen. Every NDC person in parliament, including the parliamentarians then, floor of parliament, they were debating the private jet are buying now in another Danko Kufuado at the Tukwai on the floor of parliament. Now Kuja Tabrakwa even the details of the private jet, no, or the big about thing just because almost Ghana for here into new one say a president ever for private jet. Abusha John Mahama Bedia Kunya, what happened? First thing. Okofa private jet. Yama mea ya freno. What is the name? The vice president of the republic, the ghost vice president. Yama me yare the private jet na dene yade Eco UK, Eco San yade. Enkrofona no almost private jet usage by government officials. A waste of Ghana resources. Even the used to say president to kwano befa private jets and they to kwine a waste of country's resources. Omo kaya but miya barima and krofo we be dia kunyano. The first thing that we heard and say John Mahama ankasa enam private jet mi di to kwine. Yam fancy ho ye maame je na opoko agima yare ye fa private jet afede Mahama etu kwankra no de ne hu siesie ye nkote ene de they are going to buy a presidential jet. This is another scandal of this certain NDC government eni kwan so money free with him hu hiam poso be MPP ni somebody who doesn't respect you. Somebody who don't think say you are conscious. You don't need to support that person because the NDC as a party believes say Ghanaians we are fools. And this you cannot say in opposition. Now I can some way na uba power. You are doing opposite and you are expecting me to praise you. And to anyone who here so be NDC ni. This is the reality. This is the mentality that these people are using to treat you. Yeah, nyamede. Nyamede say Mahama ne nkrofo mo treat me like that. Yento aso de enko yanem. Enti private jet a cost a waste of Ghana resources. A waste of money. Amount mine boka Ghana for a here for. But when Mahama came, we saw him going in what? In private jet. Yento aso ne enko yanem. Another scandal. Temi yepa. Hey, go forward. Yeah. Abusia, all like video no, now all subscribe also, and now comment it, watch the wording. Next time, then I'll say and cover. What me can say, cover the amount. Now, on the fifth scandal, so you have 1.2 billion accounting gap. Or see the Dubawa Ghana, a respected fact check outlet, reported a 1.2 billion accounting gap. Money on the national books that doesn't exist. This is a deep dive investigation content theory. Video, bro. Tell me listen to what I'm saying well. Another scandal I hate Tisha and this Bangway. Yenka one say 1.2 billion Ghana cedis biayera. Fact check. Yekwa check yen. 1.2 billion Ghana cedis biayera. Yenkwa tietia almost the comparative books. Temi pa. Almost the printed books. Books no wa hemon family ya jo book bia ni ho. Temi pa. Books na ye ko printed ya. Yese ne bo no 1.2 billion Ghana cedis no. The books are nowhere to be found. Oh, they try on NDC. We are going there. We are going to board them. TBA 1.2 billion Ghana cedis. Aira. You see the yedenya. You see the yedenya. You the comparative books. Books no are here. You see books na aira. Books na aira. Until 1.2 billion no so aira. Ghost books. To the you cannot say suit now you NDC no you NDC na you NDC ni. But remember to reason all the time. You're conscious. What drink I da utim. Unim dear da utim. Don't sell it for anything. Say aban bi aba no say binom abo binom yakromfo okochi omo. Na sa aban no ene ye beti ayese ose okoprinti books no bo na 1.2 billion. Wako printi aba onfa books no mechire ye na ayese books no ni ho. Scan so ni ho. Now if you want me to trust that aban, I will never trust that aban. I will never and ever trust that aban. Yet to ask them for another scandal. Yeah, bobo scandals no so see na ekoya nim. The eto so me ensan so the Chief Justice Tokono. Okay. I believe everybody remember the Chief Justice Tokono. Chief Justice Tokono, Mahama suspended and dismissed the Chief Justice in September 2025 for abuse of office. Tell you, Mr. Mahama, or you had to. You would have John Mahama better than Kunyasono. The entire the PAM Supreme Court judge, I find a Tokono and say, or the 2 million or in the office one, or the say, you can say abuse of office. This was constitutional earthquake, questioning remaining about whether it was genuine accountability or political score setting. In fact, Mahama say mo yo kan ye no internationally e wo wiase amansam abie bi sase na asem ya papa we di judge we ya free Supreme Court ho no eye ade bi ye no kore se accountability na enam so de pam no ana say ye politics na papa yi e person fa ye court no ye judiciary na nye ma me papa me pese na o rebe ho, but I can tell you and I show you say our judiciary system today that I'm talking to you, it is a political jurisdiction, political judiciary, a political judiciary, because Tokono has been tagged by the NDC say oye MPP ni, even though the woman may be MPP supporter or sympathizer, but the woman wanye jumada just to work for the MPP, but this woman always work mami oye juma all the time to make the country be a better place. But so far as the NDC tagged her, say oye sabio MPP ni there. When they came to power, they made sure to sack her and bring him lawyer Bofu Bonny today. Now, don't forget to say the judiciary no. Abrana Yura Mahama te opposition. Now Sinanado apake too much judges in the judiciary. Abusia in 18 months, in 18 months. John Mahama has appointed about 21 appointed about 21 judges. 21 judges. All of them, their backgrounds, NDC for. Ebini doma hene. NDC for pure political judiciary. Because the agenda kita NDC no. Eye conquer the country. Umuso omo sembo na se friend kataman so. Egrofo na man ombo kata so. Omo ba omo kata oman no so. Omo be diga na konwa no so a omo kata oman no so omo manhira ene nkoso emma oman no mu. Omo be diga na konwa na omo niema na omo ye ne mafu omo ye no. Omo di omo umbrella na kata oman no so ema sabio nkoso ni nhirade e be free wiem kura aba na omo san so kata so. Eni nti aye bre no. Enti court na esi ho no. Enye wadwene se ye court bi a ye de wasem ko me yakwa kodi ne fairly asegane no. Ye de wasem ko no ye MPP ne ye di wasem so ye MPP ne. Ye konso ye NDC ni so ye di wasem so ye NDC ne. Favor and a court to Juma. Sane, you know, these are things that we are talking about, and they are not small things. And the other so, Ensia on the scandals are bang with better kunyaso, sabio, why ya, on Pesebeka Safa, where Nuntino, we are watching so Kasa, na ose obecho.